January 22nd, 2021, Daily Math Review number 2. Jaden bought 70 feet of speaker wire for $18.20. He needs 30 more feet. If the unit price is the same, how much will Jaden pay for the extra 30 feet of wire? All right, so first we're going to figure out that unit price. Woohoo! So, remember, money on top, money on top. Here's our money on top, dude. Money on top. Woohoo! All right, so he bought 70 feet of speaker wire for $18.20. He needs 30 more feet. So, first of all, we need to figure out how much is it for 1 foot of speaker wire. So, money on top, we have that $18.20. And that is for 70 feet of wire. So $18.20 divided by 70 feet. All right, so we're going to divide $18.20 divided by 70. We are going to pop up that decimal point because it's on the inside. There's nothing on the outside here to move over. So can 70 go into 18? No, so we have to put that 0 there. Can 70 go into 182? Yeah, it can. I think it can go in 2 times. 70 times 2, 7 and 7 is 140. Now we'll subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down that 0. Ooh, how many times can 70 go into 420? I know 7 times 6 is 42. So that's going to be 6 times. If I do 7 times 6, 70 times 6, 6 times 0 is 0, 6 times 7 is 42. So yes, we do have that, 420. We subtract, we get 0, nothing left to bring down, nothing, no remainders. So for 1 foot of speaker wire, it's $0.26 for 1 foot of wire. Now, what we need to do, it says, the main part here, it says, how much will Jaden pay for the extra 30 feet of wire? So what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply 26 cents by 30 feet. He already has 70. He needs 30 more. So we're going to multiply that 26 cents by 30. All right, so all right, so I'm going to move this down a little bit. And we're going to multiply that by 30. All right, so multiply by 30 because that's going to be for 30 more feet of wire. So now let's multiply. 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Done with that 0, drop a 0 for a placeholder. Now we have 3 times 6, which is going to be 18. Carry that 1, drop that 8. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 3 times 0 is 0. So we're going to add them up here. So we have 0, 8, 7, and that's just 0 there. Now, what do we need to do? We need to put in our decimal. We need to put in our butt cheeks. So in 1, in 2 spaces, that's it. So in 1, in 2. So that decimal is going to go between that 7 and that 8. So it's going to be $7.80. $7.80. And that's it. Woohoo! Highlight that. That's it for our DMR number 2. Great job, everybody.